Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all have been having a wonderful day, and I am so excited to sit here with y'all today and to make an updated tutorial on one of my favorite hair products. Now, as you can tell from the title, the product we're going to be working with today and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use is my Chi Spin and Curl. Now, if you've been a subscriber on my channel for a little bit, you will have already seen a Chi Spin and Curl review and tutorial, and that video was my first time ever using the product. It was basically like a how user-friendly is this product type of video. I curled my hair. My curls were okay. At the time, I was like blown away. I thought they were like the best curls ever. Now that I look back, I'm like, okay, they were okay. And I have gotten almost a whole year of practice using this product. It has become one of my favorite hair care products ever. If you follow me on Instagram, which I'll leave my handle right here, you know I have talked about this product so many times, shared it so many times on my Instagram. I mean, it is my go-to curler because it is the quickest curler on the planet, and it makes really great curls that last a very long time, which if you're anything like me, pretty curls that you can get in like 10 minutes is very, very, very important to me. I like to look glam pretty much every day, but I don't have time to do like the full glam do every single day. So this product has been a lifesaver. If I didn't have this product, I definitely wouldn't curl my hair as much. So today I'm going to do an updated tutorial on how to use this. It is literally the easiest product on the planet. It takes me about 10 minutes to do my entire head, and it lasts me about 4 days as long as I just use a little dry shampoo in between. So it is a great alternative to curling your hair if you are looking for a very fast and pretty way to get a curled do. So if you are ready to learn how to use the Chi Spin and Curl with an experienced Chi Spin and Curl user now, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now, let's get started. Okay, so real fast, just to let you know what's going on with my hair so y'all can know how to prep and also the products I'm going to be using in this video. So I just got out of the shower and blow dried my hair. And by blow dry, I mean flip my hair upside down and just dry it. I didn't style it, like do a full blowout or anything. I literally just dried it. And I have my Firm Hold Protectant Iron Guard Style and Stay Spray by Chi. I'm pretty sure this is the same spray I used in that video I made testing out the Chi like a year ago. I still use it, still love it, still adore it. It is so good at not only giving your hair a barrier and protecting it from this heat styling tool, but it also gives it grip and texture so that your hair actually lasts as long as possible. So I already have this sprayed on my hair, so that's all the prep I do. I just dried my hair, sprayed an Iron Guard. By all means, you do not have to use this, but make sure you spray some Iron Guard. I never recommend you use a heating tool without some kind of a protectant spray, because that is a great way to like lose your hair very, very quickly and have really damaged hair. So just friendly reminder, always use an Iron Guard. Actually, I did want to share one other Iron Guard that I love as well. It's somewhere in this room that is a little bit less, it doesn't cost as much. I want to share with y'all just in case you want more of a Iron Guard on a budget. Hold on, let me go find it. Okay, I have shared this one with y'all before as well, but the Heat Protection Spray by Foxy Bay is great. It's a little bit cheaper than the Iron Guard if you do want to be mindful of cost. So just wanted to share that with y'all as well. And then the two other products I'll use at the end of the video is my Infra Texture Spray and my Kerastase Medium Hold Spray. This is obviously a texturizing spray. It keeps your hair nice and grippy and textured. That's like the only way I can explain it. But it allows you to style your hair without it being too soft to not fall out of whatever you want it to do. So great spray. And then the Kerastase spray is a very light hairspray. We do not want crunchy like helmet head hairspray. We just want like a soft hold that's gonna make sure our curls last as long as possible, but not make them crunchy, because that is not cute. So I would highly, highly suggest this. If you have watched any of my hair videos, even all the way back from when I had no idea what I was doing on YouTube, and I did a hair tutorial. This was still in that video. So this has been around in my life since like the beginning of time. But that is all we need in this video. That and of course your She Spin and Curl, you are good to go. And friendly reminder, you don't need to have these products. These are just my favorite products that work really, really well and I wanted to share with y'all. But by all means, if you have a hairspray you love, if you have a heat protectant spray you love, definitely use those. I will link all 4 of the products I just shared with y'all below, so if you are interested, you can check them out. All right, let's get into curling our hair. So I have my She Spin and Curl set to, it's really hot right now, hold on. All right, I do have my She Spin and Curl set to 350. This does go all the way up to 400 degrees, I believe. It might even be 450. I have never used it above 400, so I wouldn't even know. I don't even recommend you using it above 400 because I don't even think an iron guard can protect your hair with that heat. Okay, enough of all of that stuff. Wanted to get it out of the way at the beginning of the video so we can just talk about styling the hair. So this is honestly gonna be like the easiest video ever. I basically just take little chunks all over my head because I'm doing my everyday style. That takes me literally 10 minutes. There's no crazy sectioning off that I'm gonna be doing in this video. I'm not gonna be parting my hair. I'm just gonna be grabbing different chunks of my hair, and that's basically it. So I'm just gonna take a chunk of hair about this big. Make sure your chunks aren't too big because it's a really easy way to get your hair kind of knotted up in this machine. It can take a lot of hair, but don't put like half of your hair in the barrel. So I'm gonna take this much, y'all can kind of tell. You put your hair in the barrel like this, and then you're gonna wanna curl away from your hair. If you've watched any of my other tutorials, I always say curl away from your hair, which on the right side of my face will be the right button, and it'll suck it right in. And then it's burn proof, so this part is never hot, so you can just lie it against your head. It's so easy, and then it just beeps once you're done, and that is literally it. There was the beep, pull it out, and there's your gorgeous curl. So I'm gonna do like a couple more slow ones with y'all, and then speed it up, and then just show y'all how I style it once I do all the curls, just so y'all know. But it is that simple, guys. So I got a little piece of hair, pressing the right button because we want to curl away from our face. And that's it. And on the off chance, a lot of people ask, what if your hair gets stuck? What if it keeps pulling? Is it gonna rip all your hair out? No, it is not. I have had a couple times where my hair maybe just had too much grip, or something happened where it got stuck, and the machine can detect if it is tugging. It will turn the heat off just so your hair is not frying on the off chance it's like stuck, which has never happened to me before. And it will keep beeping until you take your hair out. So it is very safe, and it can detect on the off chance your hair does get stuck right away. It will not continue to pull and rip your hair out. I have never had anything crazy like that happen to me. All right, bottom part. I usually press it 3 times to make sure like my hair got fully in the barrel, just because my hair is long. So depending on the length of your hair, you might need to press the curl button just a couple times so it gets in there. Pull it out. There we go. Easy as that. I mean, I kid you not when I say this is the easiest thing on the planet to do, and it has become my favorite curler because it is so fast. I'm already almost to the center back of my head, so I'm already almost halfway through. I know, it's crazy. So this will be the last curl I do with y'all, and then I'll just go really fast around the rest of my head. Perfect. All right, guys, so that was like 5 curls. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair real fast. And don't worry, I know these are like super PC, Shirley Temple looking curls. This is not the finished product. This is just to get the curl in, and then we'll style it at the end. So don't you worry. Let's finish the rest of our head, and then I will show you what to do with your PC curls. All right, guys, so we look kind of crazy right now. We have these very PC curls all over our hair. So before we shake it out, just grab some kind of texturing spray. I'm gonna go in with my Infra Texture spray and just put a little bit. We do not need a lot of spray because we do not want them to get like stuck like this, that's for sure. So just a little bit of texturing spray. Okay, that's all we need. Now, y'all won't be able to see me do the next step because I'm gonna flip my head over upside down, but all you need to do is flip your head over upside down and brush your hair completely out. Like, brush should touch your scalp. So brush all the curls totally out. Okay, so before I flip my hair totally back, I want to show y'all something I do to give body on the sides. So I take my hair all to the side, spray a little bit more texturizing spray all throughout the layers of this side. And then I flip to the other side. And I spray a little bit more through these layers. And then I flip back. Wow. So your hair should have a nice amount of volume in it. And then we're gonna tame it from here, but flipping upside down and giving it some spray gives it that body that you want, and this pretty much lasts me all day. I don't even have to tease my hair. So all I'm gonna do is pull most of it forward and just calm this top layer down so it's nice and frizz-free. Calm the bottom a little bit. And then once I have it set to how I like, which I'm happy with this, I'm gonna go in with my Kerastase and just spray a little bit. Again, we don't need that much, but a little bit to hold the curls in place all day. Perfect. And that is it, guys. It literally takes 10 to 15 minutes to do. Looks like a total full blowout curly glam hairdo, but it does not take that long. If you do follow me on Instagram and you see my hair curled like every day and wonder how I get that, this is exactly what I do. And then these curls last me 3 to 4 days. I can easily make them beautiful and bouncy for a couple days, giving me a curled hairdo every single day, basically. So if you have any questions about what I did at all in the styling process or about this tool, feel free to shoot me a comment down below and I will respond back to you. But other than that, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you have a fabulous day and I will see you in my video next week. Bye!